Hello everyone, welcome back to Getting Started with Angular course. In this chapter we are going to learn about Angular CLI. So let's begin. So we will see first what is Angular CLI. So Angular CLI is a command line tool that helps to simplify overall Angular development process. What that means is, it means that Angular CLI provides some set of features that helps you to make Angular application development super fast. We will look at those features one by one. CLI helps you to generate scaffold code templates just by firing a command. And of course that saves several minutes of development. And the generated code have followed the coding guidelines that have been provided by Angular team, and it is called as Angular style guide. Also you can create a production ready application just by firing some commands. We will see that commands in next chapter. Also, you can easily extend the build process. So sometimes we have to do some task or process after the build completion. So you just have to plug some settings inside the Angular CLI configuration and that's it. Also, the environment configuration and deployments have been made super easy. Again, you will be having Angular CLI JSON. You have to put some settings in there. And there are many more features, but these are 5 main features that I have mentioned. So we will looking at other features in next chapters. Let us understand how you can set up or install Angular CLI. I have divided this process into 2 parts. First part is pre-installation check, where you have to fire npm-v command in terminal to check Node Package Manager is installed or not. Then you can go ahead for actual installation. So let's look at the installation part now. You have to fire npm install command, where you will be installing TypeScript and Angular CLI package globally. So that's why there is a -g in between. But if you are using yarn, then you can fire a yarn command respectively. After the installation of this package, you can verify the installation of TypeScript and CLI using below 2 command, where ng version will return you what Angular CLI version is installed, and tsc ---- version will tell you which TypeScript version is installed. Now I have opened terminal to install Angular CLI. As I said, I have divided the process into 2 parts. So we will first check pre-installation checkup. I am firing npm-v command to check Node Package Manager is installed or not. Additionally, you can also fire node-v command to check which node version you are using. When I recorded this video, I have the latest node and npm version. Now I am going to install Angular CLI and TypeScript globally. So I just copied the command from the slides. Approximately it took 20 seconds to install. Now we have installed the CLI and TypeScript. Let's check whether it is actually installed or not. So I have fired ng version command to check Angular version. It is 10.1.1, which is latest, and node is 14.11. Now I am going to fire tsc-v command to check TypeScript version, which is 4.0.2. Great, we have installed TypeScript and Angular CLI successfully. I hope you have understood what is Angular CLI and how to install it. Thank you for listening. See you soon in the next chapter.